Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing some very easy DIY nails. Since COVID hit, I haven't been able to do my nails, but now I will be doing them from home. So this is a very affordable kit that I got from Amazon, only $15, and look at that, guys. These are very nice. I was very surprised when I got them. You know, everything sometimes looks a bit different in pictures, but I was definitely pleased with this. So it comes with a bunch of rhinestones, a bunch of stuff that you could put on your nails. I love the fact that these are very shiny and they don't look like plasticky. You know, some rhinestones look very plasticky. There's so many things to do with these because there's so many different designs and colors, and it's just amazing. But these were my favorite. I feel like I would just want to use them all the time. These are some of the ones that I'm going to be using today, and that will be the glue to stick on the rhinestones. It does come with some brushes, which is great, and then that white pencil to mark up your designs, and the tweezers for the rhinestones, which is awesome. This is a nail gel kit that I got. Nail polish, gel nail polish, and I was a little disappointed with the size of them because I thought they were all full size, but apparently not. The colors were not full size, just the base, the top coat, and the matte coat were full size. And these will be the tips that I will be using. These are full nail tips. These are not like the regular tips that they use when they do acrylic. This glue is so good. I 100% recommend it. So I filed my nails a little bit, and I will be adding some alcohol on there just to make sure that it really sticks. This is what works best for me. I'm no professional, so I'm just letting you know this is what I do, and I mean, I'm just showing you. So here we go. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and fit them to my nail, of course. And I honestly didn't think that this was very important in the beginning, but it really is. It makes a big difference. So not only will they last a lot longer, they will feel comfortable, because I feel like sometimes I used to pick them either too small and it will hurt my nail, or too big and they'll just like click off. I don't know. So it's really important to do that, and honestly it looks like real acrylic nails once you fit them, shape them to your nail. They look like real acrylics. And I love that these nails are like thick. Like I said, I believe I said that in the beginning of the video, but I would love to mention it again because it's very important. Because when you're putting on these type of nails, the thing that I hate the most is that they just pretty much crack. They bend, and I hate that so much. So these, honestly guys, I've done so much. I'm a mom of two. I'm always cleaning. I'm always doing a bunch of stuff. Never has it bent. So I recommend these 100%. And look at me go. Look at me go. Ooh. My pinkies left. I get so excited. Well, now even more, because I used to always be like, oh, I want my nails done, I want my nails done, like all the time. But I was like, okay, first of all, it's hell expensive. And now with the COVID thing, like a lot of shops are closing, and I'm just like, alright, guess it ain't meant to be. But when I saw this kit on Amazon for $15, I said, hello. Yes, baby, come here. So now what I'm doing is filing the top of my nails, because it has that little bump at the top. I don't know what it is. It's like probably when they make them they have that little thing, but I know that all nails have that. So I'm just taking that off, making sure it's nice and smooth, and they're looking great right now. Look at them. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit later in the video how I went like Exactly because of that. Because, okay, so those are the colors that I'm picking out. They look beautiful, but okay, we go into the rhinestones. I'm showing y'all the rhinestones because these the ones I'm gonna use. I couldn't wait to use those. Okay, one thing I am gonna add is that these were not easy to get out. The packaging is a no-no. Like, they should have put them in some containers or something, because I can't even flip it down to like take some out, because then all of them will come out. But it took me a while, but I got them out. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a base coat, and I honestly didn't think this was important either, but it does make a difference. I haven't had my nails chip at all, honestly. And then in the reviews, some said that it did chip, but mine didn't at all. I think like as long as you're on the nail and not like getting out of the nail, because I feel like sometimes when you get out of the nail, like it might lift up or something, but they didn't. It was good. So I'm putting that on. Then I'll tell you guys about what I wanted to tell y'all earlier, but this video going too fast, and this is my first time doing a voiceover. So this is the first color that I'm using, and this is just gonna be pretty much like a base for the rhinestones. That is the gel, and I'm just putting it all over my nails since I'm gonna put the rhinestones all over. So here we go. Not even all of them look cute already. I love the shine of these. I just can't wait to do more things. But yeah, these are awesome. I 100% recommend them. Look at how awesome that looks. Like, I wanted to do a nude color at that point, because oh my god, look at that. Look at that. The shine, and then a nude color on the other nails. Oof. But I decided in the beginning of the video I was gonna do this color, and y'all saw that moment when I just went shit. Yeah, I didn't want it, but I was like, you know what, whatever, let's do it. So I went on with it, and after the second coat, I feel like I felt kind of okay with it at that point, when I was like, all right, okay. But like I said, I was making this super rushed. The kids in the background were screaming and yelling, and oh gosh, it was a whole playground in my house. I felt a little rushed, but next time I will go ahead and take my time and do it way better for you guys. But I just couldn't wait to show you guys how I did them, because I posted these on Snapchat. Well, not these exact nails, but the first pair of nails that I did, and everyone was like, where'd you get them done? And I was like, I did it myself. And everyone kept asking me how. And look at how bomb these look. So I didn't decide to do the whole rhinestones on the other hand, but look at how cute. Playing with my nails and shit. Look at that. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be doing more videos, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button.